Hello, everyone, and welcome to this next edition of AI Governance Chronicles. I am Nikhil Joshi, and with over 25 years of experience in information technology, AI governance, cybersecurity, and digital transformation, I am thrilled to dive into today's sensational topic: AI governance in manufacturing. Did you know that according to McKinsey, AI in manufacturing could boost productivity by up to 40% and add $1.2 trillion in economic value annually by 25? That's an astonishing figure, showcasing the transformative power of AI. But with great power comes great responsibility, particularly in terms of governance, ethics, and data security. Today, we'll explore how effective AI governance can help navigate these challenges through real world examples in the manufacturing sector. Let's start with a fascinating example from the world of digital twins. Fero Labs, a manufacturing analytics company based in the United States, uses AI to help manufacturers optimize their production processes. Fero Labs' AI-driven solutions have helped reduce production errors by 15% and cut down waste significantly. However, they face challenges with data integration and algorithmic transparency. To address these issues, Fero Labs implemented a comprehensive data governance framework. They used explainable AI, XAI tools to make their AI decision-making processes transparent and understandable. This transparency helped them identify and mitigate biases, ensuring fair and effective production processes. By doing this, they not only improved operational efficiency, but also built trust with their clients. Next, let's consider the case of Drishti Technologies. Drishti is a Sanskrit word, which means vision, company that leverages AI to improve manual labor productivity in manufacturing. Based in the US, Drishti uses AI-powered video analytics to provide real-time insights into manufacturing operations, enhancing productivity and quality. However, Drishti faced challenges related to data privacy and ensuring the accuracy of their AI models across different manufacturing environments. Drishti Technologies tackled these challenges by adopting a robust IT governance framework based on COVID control objectives for information and related technologies from ISACA. This framework ensured that AI initiatives were aligned with business goals, optimized resource usage, and manage risks effectively. They also used AI-driven compliance tools to monitor and ensure adherence to regulatory standards in different countries. This strategic approach allowed Drishti Technologies to innovate while maintaining compliance and protecting their data. Another notable example is Bright Machines, a company that combines robotics with AI to automate manufacturing processes. Bright Machines' AI-driven microfactories are revolutionizing the way products are manufactured by integrating advanced robotics and machine learning. However, they faced significant challenges with data security and the ethical use of AI in automation. Bright Machines address these challenges by integrating, again, explainable AI tools. We've heard earlier about them, how they will allow them their AI models to be more transparent. They also conducted regular ethical audits to ensure that the AI systems are aligned with company values and ethical standards. This approach not only enhanced operational efficiency, but also reinforced trust with their clients and regulatory bodies. The ethical issues in AI for manufacturing are vast and complex. AI systems can inadvertently reinforce biases, leading to unfair labor practices for suboptimal decision making. Moreover, the use of AI in predictive maintenance and quality control raises concerns about data privacy and intellectual property. These ethical issues underscore the need for robust AI governance frameworks to ensure fairness, accountability, and transparency. In conclusion, implementing AI governance in manufacturing is essential for unlocking AI's full potential while addressing ethical and operational challenges. By focusing on data privacy, transparency, and ethical considerations, manufacturing companies can harness AI's transformative power responsibly and ethically. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video insightful, please visit my website for more in-depth resources and consultancy services. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's keep this critical conversation going. Thank you. Bye.